All right, Miss Tori, tell us what you've been doing in kindergarten this week.
Lots of math.
Lots of math? Oh my, do you like math?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, what else have you been doing? Have you been practicing on your word list? Yeah? What level are you on, Tori? What superhero is your superhero right now?
Hulk.
You're on the Hulk level? Ooh, must be getting pretty tough on those words. Are they getting harder? Yeah. Okay. What else have you been doing? Did you write something and put it in an envelope? What is that for? Do you remember? Where is kindergarten going next week?
First grade.
Not next week. First grade isn't a few weeks away yet. You're going on a little walking field trip. Where are you walking to? Do you remember?
Yeah.
Where?
The post office.
That's right. And what are you going to do at the post office? Do you know? You're going to get to mail your letters. So you've been writing letters, haven't you? Yep, getting ready to go to the post office. Okay. Well, anything else we should know? What else should we know? You forget? Did we have a special visitor yesterday? At the end of the day in the gym, the whole school?
Yeah.
Yeah. What was that special visitor for? Remember, what did Robert do for us?
Play the songs to us.
Yeah, he told us stories, didn't he? And he played different instruments, didn't he? Do you remember what that instrument was called that he played?
Flute.
That's right. He was our Asia Fantasia storyteller, wasn't he? Did you like those stories? He was pretty good, wasn't he? He was kind of funny, too. All right, Tori, who do you want to say hi to?
My classmates and my friends.
All right, give them a wave.
Great,
Great, McKenzie. Tell us what you've been learning about in first grade.
We've been learning how to add tens and add 3 numbers, and we're going to the zoo today.
Today, you're going on a field trip. The best weather day of the whole week, and you get to go to the zoo. That's so exciting.
And we are all done with our testing, and we're all done with our reading books.
What? Oh my goodness, you're finished almost, aren't you? Do you know how many days we have left of school after today?
9.
9. Only 9. Oh, how do you feel about that?
I feel pretty good because I get to go swimming a lot on summer break, and I also know that we get 65 days off.
65 days, and then it'll be second grade.
Yeah.
Oh, I don't know how I feel about you kids getting older. What do you have to show us there? You brought something with you.
We earned some coins. These aren't mine, they're Madison's. Madison's letting me use these. We earned these coins for following directions and dojo points.
Okay.
And also if we're following directions, we also get them.
And what can you use your coins for?
We get prizes. I already used up 7 of my coins.
Yeah. And so you were able to trade them in for prizes?
Yes. And I had 15. So what I got, it was an owl, and it talks.
Cool.
Well, it's out of the 7 box.
Okay. So is that something that's new?
It's actually a dog that folds up.
Cool.
It's a dog that folds up.
And you like that a lot, huh?
Yeah.
Very nice. All right, who do you want to say hello to?
My mom.
Okay.
That's in North Carolina.
Okay. Well, she might see it. All right. Great
Hi,
job.
Mom.
Good job. Okay, Carson, tell us what you've been doing in second grade.
We've been doing trying to get ready for third grade, and we've been practicing
Have you been doing some of your math practice?
math practice, and we've been trying to do some
You've been working through some reading things too, haven't you?
we've been working for a reading phase, and we've been doing the tests on the computer.
That's right, NWEA testing, haven't you? Yeah, on the computer. Hey, do you like your device that you have in your classroom?
Yes.
Yes, your
and
tablet.
I like playing the reading stuff.
Uh-huh.
You read the books
Yeah.
and the questions, and
So that's Raz Kids, isn't
Raz
it?
Kids, yeah.
Yeah.
And I like doing IXL and first in math.
Very good. So we're using a lot of those online tools in your classroom, aren't you?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Carson, you've done a fantastic job. Who do you want to say hello to, bud?
My class.
All right, give them a wave. Great job,
All right,
buddy. Trenton, tell us what you've been doing in 3rd grade.
We are in our final round of NWEA.
Tell us what you do for NWEA. What do you have to do for that?
You have to
Where do you go to take that test?
go to the computer lab.
Yep, in the computer lab, and it's on the computers, isn't it? And what kind of test did you take yesterday?
The reading one.
The reading one. Do you know which one you're taking today? The math one. And then on Monday, you guys, 3rd grade will finish up and they'll do their language one. And that'll be it, won't it? And we'll get to see how much you've grown this year. Okay, what else you got on your list?
We are starting end of the year post test and to see what we've done.
Yeah, in math, we do an end of the year assessment, and that kind of helps us to, we do it at the beginning of the year and at the end of the year to see all the lovely things you've learned from your grade level. Every kid does it. It's kind of like a final. If you were in high school, it'd be kind of like a final, but in the elementary, we call it a post test. Okay, what else you got?
Yesterday we enjoyed a special program in the afternoon. The storyteller entertained us with music and stories.
Which was your favorite, Trenton? He told a story about the bluebird first, and then he told a story about the ox named Great Joy. Which was your favorite?
I like the one where it had the great joy.
You liked the second one, Great Joy. Was there something that we could have learned from that story? Can you think about that? What did we learn from that story? Should we treat each other with kindness or with meanness?
Kindness.
Yeah, when he treated his oxen mean, did the ox do what he needed it to do and move those 100 carts? When he was mean and called him mean names and things like that, did he move those 100 carts? But when he was kind and he said, I believe in you and you can do this, did the ox move those 100 carts? Yeah. Okay. All right. Do you have anything else on your list?
1 week until field day. Next Friday.
Next Friday's field day. That's like one of the best days of the year, isn't it? What's your favorite part about field day?
The water balloon toss.
The water balloon toss. And that's a special day because we have a special lunch that day too, don't we? Yeah, and we get to have pop instead of milk that day, don't we? That's pretty awesome. All right, anything else? Okay, who do you want to say hi to?
Class.
Okay, wave at him. Great job, bud. All right, Brandon, tell us what you've been doing in 4th grade.
In math, we've been doing equations like algebra, equal on both sides of the equal sign.
So if I have on one side like 5 plus 2 and the other side I had 3 plus x and I had to figure out what x was, what would I do?
You'd like subtract or add.
Yeah, so I'd need to add up my 5 plus 2, right? So what would 5 plus 2 be on that side?
7.
Okay, so then I'd have to look at my 4 plus x and I'd have to figure out what plus 4 equals 7, right? So what would x be, do you think?
2.
Oh, almost. What plus 4 equals 7? 3. So my x would be 3, wouldn't it? So I have to do one side and solve it, and then I can switch and do the other side. Okay, perfect. What else have you done?
In reading, we finished reading books, reading novels. Next week was Red Fern Grows and Winn-Dixie.
Okay, have you ever read either of those or heard any of them?
I have not heard of Winn-Dixie before.
Okay, but you've heard of Where the Red Fern Grows? Okay.
We're reading that this week.
Yeah, it's a good one. Okay, what else you got?
In science, we are working on kites, being cremation markers and stickers.
Oh yeah, so you need to bring those, don't you? Permanent
Yeah,
markers.
Permanent markers and stickers.
stickers so you can
Decorate those.
yeah.
Okay.
And 2 field trips next week.
Where are you going on Tuesday?
Tuesday we're going to the senior thing, which is tomorrow.
Yep, to the senior center, right?
Mm-hmm.
And you're gonna have lunch with them and get to enjoy some time with some of our senior citizens. And then where are you going on Thursday?
To the Red Front.
That's okay.
Messed up. We're going to the Conifers.
That's right, and that's gonna be a really fun trip, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. All right.
I've never been there, so I don't know what it looks like.
It's going to be pretty interesting. You'll get to learn how people lived a long time ago. Okay? All right. Anything else you got?
Legacy lunch with senior citizens on Tuesday, Connor Prairie Thursday. Bring your lunch. We have to bring our lunch.
On Thursday, right? Okay. Got anything else?
Friday, field day. Dress for it, and don't forget your sunscreen.
And I looked at the weather. It's going to be a pretty day as far as not too hot. We're just crossing our fingers we don't get any rain either. Okay. All right. You did an awesome job.
Thank you.
Who do you want to say hello to?
My teacher and all my class.
Okay. Give them
Hi.
away. All right, Sam, tell us what you've been doing in 5th grade.
And reading, we've been reading Harry Potter.
Harry Potter. That's a pretty tough read.
We have 100 pages left.
Only 100 left to go. That's a pretty long book, too. Are you enjoying the story? Yeah. Okay. What else?
In math, we've been working on outcomes.
Outcomes. So this is part of our probability, right? So if I have, is it like when you have so many marbles in the bag and some are red and some are blue? Yeah. If I were to draw, what would be the outcome or possible? Yeah, what's the probability? All right. So what else have you been doing, bud?
Today we went to the high school to explore it.
Yeah, so you got to go over for your school visit, didn't you? Yeah, because soon you're going to cross that cement pond. Won't you? Did you bring your brain back with you today? Yes, because we still have how many days of school left, do you know? 9 days, and that's it. But we just still need to do a lot of work, don't we? Good. Okay. Anything else you want to share with us? What's next Friday?
Field day.
Field day. Best day of the school year, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, bud, who do you want to say hi to?
David, Jordan, Lucas, Noah, and sissies.
Okay. Give them a wave. Good job.